In, on, or at. Very important preposition. We get confused in this, right? The simple trick to use place prepositions correctly. Hi, I am Suresh Kumar from Nile Institute of Languages and Education, Bangalore. Kindly subscribe our channel. Now let's see how to use in, on and at in reference to place. Use at when referring to an exact address, a specific point or an event. Exact address means like at Sweet Street or at Bemel Junction. Now specific location or points. These all things when you use at, okay. At the entrance, at the bus stop, at the corner, and some of the events you can use this, okay. At a concert party. Institution when focusing on the purpose. So like at a school, at work. Now when you take in is always used in an enclosed space or a larger areas. And for geographic locations like cities and countries. Containers or enclosed spaces like in a box, in a room. Now when you take a small vehicles, you can say in a car, in a taxi. And geographical areas like in India, in Bangalore, in a neighborhood. Now when you go to on is always used for the surfaces and lines. Use on when something is resting flat on a surface or is located along a line, like a street or a river. Like surfaces you can say on the table, on the wall, on the floor. Now streets and roads, when you say like on MG road, floors of building, you can say I'm staying on the 3rd floor. And public transport, then that is public transit is very important. There you have to use on the bus, not in the bus, on the train, on a plane. Thank you.